Hey there, Actionair. I just wanted to send over this quick video showing you an opportunity that I think you might be missing out on. Um, so if I search for HVAC in Midland, Texas, or AC repair in Midland, Texas, I see a lot of businesses, local businesses pop up here, but unfortunately I'm not seeing Actionair anywhere on there. If I go over to this tool, it tells me exactly how many searches for these keywords are done each month. I can see that there's about 140 searches for HVAC in Midland, Texas, and about 170 searches for AC repair in Midland, Texas. So just for those two keyword terms, there's about 300 searches for services that you all do. But unfortunately, since y'all aren't showing up on page one of Google for these searches, most of these customers aren't finding your business on Google. Um, about 90% of people don't leave the first page of Google. So if they're searching for something, they're going to click on one of these businesses right here on the first page. So the number one factor Google uses to rank its websites on its search engine is something called backlinks. Backlinks are basically just links from other sites back to your site, and Google sees these as votes. So the more votes that you get, the higher Google ranks you on its search engines and eventually onto the first page where all that traffic is going. So right here we can see that you have um, 7 backlinks. And they're good quality backlinks, so that's a good thing. But if we go over to one of your competitors, First Service, we can see that they actually have 48 backlinks. Um, and then that's why they're right here on this first page. So it's a difference of about 40 backlinks. Now, what's interesting that you can do is you can go to a lot of these. You can see where your competitors are getting their links from, like this one from Yellow Pages, and you can just go on those same websites, put your URL link on there, and get that same backlink that they're getting. So the more that you get, you want more than your competitors. So the more that you have, Google's going to see you as more trustworthy, so they're going to rank you higher on their search engine pages. But anyway, yeah, that's backlinking in a nutshell. I don't want to take up too more of your time. You're probably wondering who I am. My name is Sean Nelson. I work for a digital marketing agency here in Midland called OEI Digital. We've helped a lot of businesses get to the first page of Google where all that traffic is going and help their business to increase the amount of leads and customers coming into their business each month. If that's something that you might want to be interested in, I'd love to have set up a time that we can talk about it. My number is 432-287-7788. You can reply to this email, and I'd love to talk to you.